Do you want to see where we're at? We're on the way to go eat brunch. There's a little van. Okay. Would you like? Walkway, runway collection. Slay. We finished at Sephora. Now we're gonna go pick up our bracelets. Look where we're at. Look how freaking beautiful. We took some pictures, but now we're trying to relocate and find a better one because the sun is so harsh. But look how pretty. Oh my lord. It's so cold.
I'm cold. She went here with some guy who doesn't matter and brought us back.
I want my family.
How are you holding up? I'm cold.
Beep.
I'm cold and I'm from the area.
We were taking photos, but I think I'm done. How about y'all?
I'm done too.
I hope Ash likes her photos. Okay, let's walk back to the car. Look how pretty.
On the other side, I will not.
Girl!
It's just her hair.
She fell into the bush. No one saw that, right?
Me.
So what happened? What happened was she fell into this bush. Not.
She fell head first. She was bent over into the bush.
The bush was there, okay? Now we're going back to the car because it's too cold, and we're done taking photos. She's a little upset because she fell into a bush, and we don't want to talk about it anymore. I ran to the bush because I'm the one on the sidewalk. We're at Gal's
Kebab and crab.
Gal's Kebab and Crab. I'm excited.
I'm excited.
It looks good. And here's Van. She said she's not hungry.
I'm a killer.
Okay, K-pop idol. Call me Yunjin. Call her Yunjin or whatever.
So this is the grilled clams that we got.
She doesn't even eat clams. She's alive.
Cheers. It has an interesting herby flavor, but I don't know what it is. It's also sandy.
It's good. What do you think about it, man? It's so good. We got our kebabs.
Chimput. Well, this is pork belly. Pork belly. Pork belly. Home style ribs.
Go piss, girl. Cái này gọi là gì? Mình sẽ thử cái này.
Thịt ốc như là bự.
Không có ai biết cái này gọi là gì. Nhưng mà tôi đang nói tiếng Việt bây giờ tại không có nói tiếng Việt thì mình phải cuốn. Nhưng mà má tôi nói đi chơi không được cuốn. Uống cái gì? Uống rượu. Vô. Ngon.
Anh thích cái này hơn là cái con ốc nhỏ.
Good morning, Monica. Good morning, Oakland. We're currently getting ready for day 2 in the bay. This one is getting her hair done. Thanks, Miss Monica. We just got bacon, but we kind of demolished it already. This is Van's food. She got the country Benedict. Slow. You didn't even try it yet. This is Monica. She got the crab Benedict.
It looks good.
There you go.
It looks good.
I'm still waiting for my food. But here's Monica. How was it?
It got me.
But like, rate the food.
Honestly, the crab is good.
Okay.
It's seasoned.
Uh-huh.
And it's a little sour, so I think they put like lemon on it, but I can't tell. I'm waiting on my ranch to eat the potatoes.
Okay, Slay.
I would eat it because I'm waiting for Ash. Because I'm a good
I don't care.
Okay, this is what I got. It was a tornado galbi omurice. Van still hasn't eaten her food. Monica is like halfway done with her food. I'm just kidding.